question, because I think we have arrived at one of the key environmental question, the ballot question of May 14th this year, and it's a key distinction between the two parties capable of forming a government that is the outcome of that election, whether the Enbridge pipeline goes forward or not. Right now, the date that matters in Canada is December 2013. That is when Stephen Harper, and Stephen Harper alone, will make the final and sole decision on whether the Enbridge Northern Gateway goes forward or does not. And why does it fall to him? Because the BC Liberal government, under then Premier Gordon Campbell and now Christy Clark, signed something called an equivalency agreement with Ottawa. It outsourced decision-making on all of the environmental, social, and economic risks that are part of this project, and said that BC will surrender its constitutional right to conduct its own environmental assessment as to whether this project is in the provincial interest and give it over to Ottawa. Now, they thought this was politically cute because they wanted to avoid a decision. And when Christy Clark first became Premier, she said, the coastlines of British Columbia don't belong to British Columbia, if you can imagine that, because we live just below Alaska, where the oil spill 25 years later belongs to Alaskans who have lost their communities and their jobs and paid billions of dollars in cleanup costs. So that is what is at stake on May 14th. If you want to regain British Columbia's right to come to its own determination, which is more than likely going to be at odds with Stephen Harper, I think we know where he stands on this project as Prime Minister, then we have to elect a new Democrat government, because we are committed. Should we form government, one of the first things that Adrian Dix will do within 7 days as Premier is serve notice that the equivalency agreement is over. And Enbridge and Kinder Morgan, if they want to do business in British Columbia, they will be subjected to a Made in BC environmental review. And that's the position we have to take if we want to stop these projects.